my daughter Sneh Kamat, now Mrs. Sneh Bhavnani. She in her infancy, that whatever you call me, when she was a baby, she had a lot of problems like constant cough, cold, nausea, and I was just rushing in and rushing out with doctors. But when I met Dr. Shah, that I found all her problems were solved through him. Physically, mentally, I think he's seen her as a baby grown into a young woman today. And I give that credit to Dr. Shah. I mean, as far as homeopathy is concerned. And today she's no more in this country, but still I take his medicines for her whenever she has a genuine problem. I don't know, it is that faith maybe that has been instilled in us, that we feel that without Dr. Shah, no medicine can work for us.